Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a tote bag, and it's going to be very easy way. Also it's had a inside pocket. First of all, take a fabric. Its width is 38 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter, and it will be two piece, same measurement, same color. Okay, now I am going to applying fusible interfacing to the wrong side. And we need one more piece with same measurement, but it will be different color, and it's for bottom color. And take one more fabric. Its width is 76 centimeter and height will be 10 centimeter. And take same measurement of fusing. Okay, it will be two piece, same size, same measurement, everything will be same. And this is for lining. Its width will be 50 centimeter and height will be 38 centimeter, and it's for pocket actually 30 centimeter and 19 centimeter. Okay, now I'm gonna press it with iron. By the way, if you're new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So this is the handle. I folded both sides for, look at this. Okay, now it's time to stitch both sides. Look at this. One stitch will be here, another will be this side. Okay, I'm going to show you. Actually, color combination play a good role to make this kind of bag also. So you should choose a very good color combination. Stitch both handle like this. So I'm going to mark for handle. It's will be 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter also from this side. Okay, same as on the top, 10 centimeter, and here 10 centimeter. Mark second side also with same measurement. Now I'm going to stitch here. Okay, now I set some pin and I want to show you how to I want to set this. So we should stitch till this. This is the last point of my stitching. Okay, I will show you this side also. Pin up here. Now just simply stitch here. Look at carefully here. This is the last point of my stitching line, and second side also as like first one. Okay, we have done our first side. Now I'm going to set, joining the bottom side. It's second color, and simply just stitch here. Look at this. Here, one more stitch on the top, and it will be 1.5 from the joining line, joining stitch. And this is our second part, a stitch here. It's a joining stitch, just simply stitch here. And look at this point will be this side, and stitch here again. Okay, now it's time to fold it, make a double fold, and we are going to cut a corner cut. Mark here 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter here also. Now complete the line, and this side also with same measurement. Now just simply cut it. So now time to stitch the side line. You can here stitch for 2 times. Stitch second side also, same as before. And now we should stitch the corner. Look at the way, this way can make a good shape of the bag's corner. First I will pin up here, same as second side also. Okay, now simply stitch here both side. Okay, now I am taking two fabric. It's 38 centimeter long and I need two of it, and it's with 13 centimeter double folded and joining with the lining. Simply open it and join with this side like here. First one stitch. After this we should stitch one more time, not same from top. We should stitch again. Okay, one side we have done and other side will be the same exactly we did it before. It's for pocket, so it's a very simple way to make a pocket. Look at me. First stitch this side and stitch again from this side, and I left some space for inside out. Look at me. After flip, now it's time to stitch all the sides, and after this we will join this with the lining. Okay, we have done. This is the lining, and we can down it 10 centimeter. Okay, now just stitch the three sides, this sides and this side also. Top side will be left. Now we need to corner cut lining also. Here the 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter also from this side, and complete the line and cut it again as before, both side also. Okay, we have done. Okay, now it's time to side stitch. You can stitch here for two times, but I will stitch here for once for this time. Okay, now we should stitch here the corner stitch. We did it before, hair lining wrong side is up and the bag will go to the inside. Okay, now align both joint. Here is the joint. Okay, now it's time to stitch. By the way, we need to left some space to flip it, so we can here the left some space. Actually it's 6 to 7 inch will be enough to flip. Look at this. Okay, this is the hole for flip. Now I'm going to flip it. Okay, now here will be one more stitch. You can iron here before, I mean for good finishing, but I don't need it. I can stitch here for one. Okay, look at the inside. Okay, now I have to attach snap button on the center. Okay, I can double fold it, or here is the center, mark it, and you can attach here any kind of snap button on this point. Would you like to give me a feedback about this video? Please comment on the comment box and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.